Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove certain color using the Chroma key feature in CapCut apps. So you can open a new project and select your photos or videos that you want to remove some color. For example, I'm going to select the green color, the green screen color, and you can so just going to add more. So for this clip, I'm going to remove the green color. So select cut out and select chroma key and select the color you want to remove. Just intensity and shadow. Click check mark. That's it. And I'm just going to make it as a background. So select the green screen and make it as an overlay. That's it. So super simple. Yeah, that's how you can remove certain color using the Chroma key feature in CapCut apps. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.